Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. I'm here with another tutorial, and in this video I would like to talk about the Whisper AI. Uh, if you have seen my previous video related to the voice assistant, we use the library as a VOSK, and then after recognition of the voice, convert to text, and then through the Olama we could communicate with Olama and discuss. In this session, I want just to introduce the new library, which is, I think, the accuracy is much better than VOSK and also it's much faster. And that is the Whisper AI, which is open source, and OpenAI company uh, is the owner. So, uh, before we jump to the coding part and to explain it how you can configure it, first I will show you some demonstration to see that how it will work. Then we will go to the details to see that how we can provide such this kind of the software and to use it. Yeah. So let's. Okay, now I am in my environment, and I want to run this code and then to see that how this Whisper AI can recognize my voice and then convert it to the text. Okay, so let's run it. Hello, can you hear me? Perfect. I'm doing the test only for. Yeah, I think that's enough for the test purpose. That's enough for this test purpose. Perfect. Okay, I think that is enough. You already you have seen that when I'm talking, it can recognize and it will convert it to the text. So let's jump to the official website of the Whisper AI, and then to see that how we can download it and how we can configure it. Okay, this is the official GitHub. Don't worry about the link. I will drop the link below of this tutorial, and then you will find it easily. So it's the package of the Whisper AI is here, and as you can see, the interesting part of that is, let me show you that it will support the many languages. So you see, there are many type of the languages are available, and you can configure the language in your software, and based on that language can recognize the voice and convert to the text. Second point which I wanted to highlight here, it's about the different model of the language, because there is the tiny, base, small, medium, large, and turbo. But you have to take into account that when you are talking about this model, then you would need that much RAM for this specific, we can say, the model. So, for example, in my case, I use the small, which is using this 2 GB and 244 megabit. So you need to take into account based on your, we can say, the software and the model which you are going to use it. Yeah, as I said, this is the from OpenAI, and this language model for recognition of the voice to the text, you can check this section of the GitHub, and also there is some explanation about the license terms and how you can use it if you want to use it for we can say that your product, how you can use it. So all this we can say that information are available in the GitHub and you can find it. Just I want to give you the hints here. This is, if you are using the Python, then this is the solution which you can download this Whisper AI. You just need pip install and then copy this we can say the command, and then it will install this Whisper AI for you in Python. But if you want to install in other systems, so also it's available, the commands are available, and you can check those commands. Okay, now we are in code part. So it's very simple. You just need to add some of the library. This library is for recognition of the microphone, and this is for the voice, the Whisper AI. And then we have some model which I mentioned. When you change from either tiny, small, or we can say the medium, automatically it will be downloaded in case you download the Whisper AI. Then here is for recognition of the microphone and the voice. And then after that, here is for reduce the noise, and here we divided we can say the voice in the 3-second chunk. So after 3 seconds, it will save it in one .wave file. But in case you want to make it longer or maybe continue, then you need to remove this limitation and or make it longer. But for me, just I made it as a 3 second. Or maybe it depends on you to work with the we can say that the microphone as a pressed audio and so on. Then it will save this audio as a we can say temp.wave, and this temp.wave will be read by Whisper AI, and then you will see the text here in the code. Yeah, that's all about this part, and I will drop the code of the this section also in the GitHub, and the link will be available for you and you can find it. If you have any question, please don't forget to drop your questions in the comments below. Definitely I will take into account. And if you found this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you again, and see you in next one.